Hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna drive you through one of the budget neighborhood in Dubai, which is the International City, Dubai. It's famous for the budget accommodations and options. You may find studios, one bedroom and 2 BHKs in a very reasonable prices. So 2 bedroom maybe somewhere between below 50,000 per year dirhams. Studios maybe 30, 25, 30,000. 1 BHK maybe you may find 40 to 45,000 dirhams. So it is full of amenities. Good location, but yeah, there are some areas which are specifically marked for the families. Some areas are famous for non-families, which means the bachelors living together. But overall, it has got nice infrastructure. Parking is an issue. Entry and exit point is of course an issue during the peak hours, morning peak hours and evening peak hours. But usually you may find a lot of things, a lot of cuisines, so famous for all subcontinental Indian, Pakistani cuisines, Arabic cuisines, and so on. It is split into many clusters. I don't know, the names are not on top of my head, but for instance, Russian cluster, Spain cluster, Emirates cluster, UK, and all, and so on. So each cluster has different theme in it, which is why once you are in this area, you already feel a vibe of moving into some different location when you cross multiple clusters. Some of the famous restaurants here, Diyar al-Sham, which is we just crossed on the left. We have, if you talk about the Pakistani cuisines, you may find City Sialkot, one of the famous budget restaurant, very famous for its food and varieties. You may find chutney roll, one of the famous for barbecue rolls, paratha rolls and all those stuff on a reasonable prices. Another important point, I would say, rather, for this location is that it's situated next to the Dragon Mart, which is the biggest wholesale or China mart in Dubai. I'm gonna show you there. If you can see over there, the red color building, so it's the Dragon Mart with the basically two branches. The main Dragon Mart 1 and Dragon Mart 2, all of them are situated here. It's also close to Mirdif, Al-Warqa, the fruits and vegetable market, the Ras Al Khor area. So many location wise, it's a very nice location. Close to the airport, of course. I believe 15 or let's say 20 minutes drive from here. Budget accommodations and so on. So on this exit, in front of us, over there, the red building, this is called the Dragon Mart 1, and on our right side, this whole neighborhood of International City is located. On our left side, the location is called Al-Warqa 1, which is also a nice location with the budget accommodations and schools, famous for the lot of schools, Pakistani, Indian, and American curriculum schools are there. the exit. We are exiting now the International City Dubai with the Dragon Mart on our right side, and we are now facing Al Warqa 1, and on our left side we have the vegetables and fruits market and Russell Food area. When we turn right from this location, we will be facing the road towards the Dubai Safari Park. As you can see on our right again, the views of Dragon Mart 1, Dragon Mart 2. You can already see the boards as well. Still we can see the extension of Dragon Mart, which is Dragon Mart number 2. Okay, so we'll see you then in next video. If you are new to this channel or liking this, visiting this channel for the first time, we do appreciate if you give us a thumbs up, like the video, leave us your comments, your suggestions, and it will definitely help us produce more and more better contents for you guys. We are now taking a U-turn, which is the overhead U-turn, and we will be facing back to the road towards Russell Ford area. This is sort of an overhead U-turn. I'd just like to end my video here with giving you a very high level bird eye view of Al Warqa city on our right. So you can see on the right side buildings, not so high rise. I mean, these are basically 5 to 6 stories, or basically 6 stories buildings on the right. So this area is called Al Warqa 1, and it has so many other components which are famous for the villas and houses. So those are basically named as Al Warqa 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's a big community. Again, very close to airport, close to Mirdif, close to Dragon Mart, the vegetable market, and so many amenities. It's also basically a neighbor to the famous city center Mirdif, which is again a big famous mall next to Mirdif. Alright guys, so we are now entering Al Warqa 1. So yeah, we'll share more videos so stay tuned, and until our next video, take care and bye bye.